I'm going to show you 5 ways meal planning can save you money and time. I'm 𝐒𝐀𝐕𝐄. Let's get started. Number 5, it makes you more efficient, which also saves money. When you make a plan that uses the food that's already in the freezer, fridge, and pantry, that means fewer items on the shopping list and less food being purchased or wasted. You can plan how to use leftovers and also make sure you have a way to use up all the produce and other perishables that can easily end up in the trash. Number 4, it saves you from thinking. The thought process involved in gazing into the refrigerator and trying to imagine what meal you can make from its random contents is downright exhausting, and having to do that every single day is a bit stressful to say the least. Taking a few minutes once a week to do all the thinking and planning will save you untold brain cells and eliminate a whole bunch of anxiety too. Number 3, it allows you to plan around crazy schedules. Planning your menu ahead of time gives you the chance to glance at what's on the calendar and write in meals that will fit the time and energy you'll have for cooking each day. You'll know which night needs a quick and easy meal and what days you can have a nice family dinner. Number 2, it keeps you away from fast food or takeout, another money saver. As tempting as it is to grab dinner out, your meal plan calls you back home empty-handed. I can't count how many times I've begged myself just to order a pizza or throw a frozen one in the oven, only to see my demanding menu hanging on the side of the fridge. Basically, it helps keep your wallet and your waistline out of trouble. Number 1, it makes you healthier. Writing on a menu gives you the chance to plan some sort of veggies into your meals. It also gives you the opportunity to plan for healthier proteins, fewer carbs, more natural ingredients, or whatever else may be important to you. If it's on the plan, you're much more likely to actually incorporate these healthy choices into your life. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to discover 5 smart, healthy eating goals. That's it. That's all. See you next time.